Okay, so in this video, I want to take a deep dive into this 20 lakh rupees opportunity that can become 1 crore in just 3 to 5 years. Let's talk about this opportunity more. By the way, this is by far the best investment in the world out there, and this is 100% government backed. So the way you start is you go out and buy a farmland, 1000 square meter for just 20 lakh rupees. Now you're not going to get this land next to Jewar Airport, of course, because that land is 50-60 lakh rupees. But let's say 45-50 minutes from Jewar Airport, very close to the highway, you can get this kind of farmland. And now within 3 to 5 years, whenever EIDA acquires this land, because they have to make sectors very close to the highway and they have to sell it to plots, industries, etc. So whenever they acquire it, they give you cash and a plot, which is valued at 1 crore rupees. How? Let's break it down. So they give you 50 lakh rupees cash, which is tax free. It goes into your bank account within 7 days. There is no admin work or bureaucracy here. It just goes into your bank account straight. And then you also get a 70 square meter plot. Why? Because they give you 7% of your land area in a developed sector as the plot. So you get this 70 square meter plot, which is valued at a minimum of 50 lakh rupees. How come? Because a plot in EIDA, such a small plot, is minimum 70,000 rupees a square meter. It's going to be a lot more, but let's just be conservative and call it 50 lakh rupees. But the caveat is it will be given to you in 3 to 6 months. It won't be given to you right away like the cash, and they'll be giving you allotment letter first, and when that sector develops in 1 to 3 years, then they'll be giving you a possession letter. Oh, and by the way, if you think the wait for possession letter is a bit longer, you can sell your plot at allotment letter stage at half the price, or you can also take 10% extra cash and make an exit. Although I really recommend that you get the plot at possession letter stage and then make a nice good exit. And by the way, all these numbers are super conservative because this muavza compensation rate increases every year by 17 to 25%. So I'm being very conservative here. And this plot value, in fact, right now on Magic Bricks, I was checking, it's 80,000 rupees a square meter. So this value goes even a lot more. Plus the fact that in 5 years from now, the value of the plot will be a lot more in EIDA. So if you also want to invest in this opportunity, let me know. Reach out to my team on WhatsApp and we will help you get this 1000 square meter beautiful farmland for just 20 lakh rupees, which is peanuts.